Hi, hello viewers. In this video, I would like to explain about check spelling and grammar. This is first option, and the second one is Thesaurus. This is the second option. These two options we are going to discuss in this video. So before going to this, so those who are watching new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. So now let us start. First one, how to check spelling and grammar. This is very important option in Microsoft Word. So why? Because we know that by using Microsoft Word we can create resumes, documents, letters. So while creating these documents we have to type in English. So while typing in English, sometimes there may be a chance to get errors in spelling and grammar. To avoid that one, to correct that spelling or grammar, we have to use this option. Okay, check spelling and grammar. Okay, right, let us start. See here I am taken two paragraphs. If you observe very carefully, here, for some words you observe here, underlines are there. You observe here underlines. See here, red color underlines for some words, here, here and here. And also you observe very carefully, under some words some green color underlines are there. See here, that means in these two paragraphs for some words red color lines are there, and for some words green color underlines are there. Okay, right. Before going to this option, first of all we have to see how to enable this option. Enable means, suppose you are writing, okay, you are typing, for example, automatically when you are typing, if there is spelling mistakes, means this red color underline will display under that word, wrong spelt word. And when you are typing, if grammatical mistake is there, automatically green color underline will display under that word. So if you disable this option, what happens? Even though you are typing wrong spelling and grammatical mistake, it will not show or it will not highlighted you. Here it is highlighting you. This particular red color lines are there, na? So that indicates that words are spelling mistake, and this green color indicates for the grammatical mistake. Okay, if you disable this, what happens? Even though you are typing wrong spelling and grammatical mistakes, it will not display you. First of all, let us see how to enable and how to disable this option. See here, now you are observing here the red color and green color lines. That means it is enabled. How to disable? Let us see here. Click on the file tab. In the file tab we have one option that is called as options. You observe here, options. Okay, we have to click here. After that, in proofing, see here, in proofing, see here, proofing, we have to click on proofing. In proofing, we observe here these two options, first and third. Check spelling as you type, mark grammar errors as you type. It is already selected, so now I am deselecting these two options and I am clicking on OK. Now you observe here, so no red colors underlines and green color underlines also. Why? Because we have disabled this check spelling and grammar option. Okay, so again, if you want to enable, means again click on options, proofing. Here, when correct spelling and grammar in Word, so we have to select these two options, first and third, and click on OK. So now it is displaying. Okay, in this way, this check spelling and grammar option we can enable and we can disable. Now we have enabled. That's why while typing the paragraph, it is showing the wrong spelt words and grammatical mistakes also. Okay, right. Now let us see how to check the spelling and grammar. See here, I have typed two paragraphs. In these two paragraphs, some words are underlined with red color, means they are wrong spells, and some green color lines also there, so that indicates for the grammatical mistake. First of all, to correct the spelling mistake, we have to select that word. Here, see here, that spelling I have typed thot, that's why it is indicated with red color. You observe here. Okay, we have to select that word. Now, which word you want to do the spelling mistake, okay, spelling correct, just select that word, and in review tab you have spelling and grammar. Click here. See here, if you click on spelling and grammar, you will observe spelling and grammar dialog box. In that, you observe here the first one only TH sheet. This is the suggestions regarding this word. In that, the first only the correct word is the THAT. Okay, just click here, change. You observe here, whenever I click on change, automatically this word will be changed to the correct one. See here, observe here, change. So automatically it came to the second wrong spelled word. Pictures, I have typed here wrongly. Purposeful only I have typed wrong. See here, pictures, it is not the correct one. You observe here, automatically it is showing here the correct one. Click here, change. You observe here, it came to the third one automatically. Third wrong spelled word. Third wrong spelling word. See here, current. Okay, so already it is selected, just click on change. Okay, it comes here for the fourth one. Text, see here, text, text here is there. Just select this one, click on change. Okay, next here it is showing the grammatical mistake. Okay, first of all let us say the spelling mistake, after that we'll go for grammatical mistake. Here another one is there, see here. Okay, and click on spelling and grammar. OTHOR, it is wrong spelling, and now it is suggesting OTH here, correct one. Click on change. Yes, it is. So now it is showing the green color from grammatical mistake. Actually, what is the grammatical mistake here means? F should be small letter, but here actually it is in big letter, so that's why it is showing green color. This is the correct one, small letter F or OL. Just here change. Again it is showing here this one. What is the grammatical mistake here? In between the text and in gap is very much. You observe here, that's why it is suggestion. This is the grammatical mistake. You observe text and in between the gap is high. Okay, so that's why it is showing the grammatical mistake, and this one is correct. Already selected, change. Easily, where is that one? Easily, see here, easily. Here also grammatical mistakes. Why? Because here E should be small letter, but here we have typed big letter, so that's why change. See, the spelling and grammar check is completed. Okay, see here. Okay, in this way we can correct the spelling and grammatical mistakes in Microsoft Word document. Okay, so this is about how to check spelling and grammar in Microsoft Word. Now let us see the second option, that is called as Thesaurus. So what is the purpose of this Thesaurus? Means whatever the word you selected na, for that word it suggests some words which is similar meaning to the selected word. Which is similar meaning to the selected word. For example, see here, document I am selecting here. For this word I want the Thesaurus. What is meant by Thesaurus? Whatever the word you have selected here na, it suggests, that means this Thesaurus option suggests similar words which is of same meaning to the selected word. Okay, first you select the word for which word you want the Thesaurus, and you observe here I am selected document. Here in review tab only, proofing group, in review tab, proofing group, we have Thesaurus. Okay, right, we have to click here. Here, see here dialog box will came. In this dialog box, you observe it is suggesting the similar meaning words which is related to the selected words. Here document means text, file, article, essay, paper. See here, these all are related to the similar meanings of this selected word. Okay, for example, pictures, I am selecting now pictures and click on this Thesaurus. See here, movies, cinemas, films, images, like that. Suppose now I am thief, I am selecting, click on Thesaurus. See here, melody, music, refrain. These all are related to the similar meaning of this word. Okay, so this is about themes. Sorry, Thesaurus. Okay. If you have any queries or doubts regarding this topic, okay, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it, share it and give comments also. Thank you so much for watching this video.